show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. And click on Bluetooth and clear cache Bluetooth app. After clear cache Bluetooth app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.